Well, as it turns out, Wales really was going to show us the way. Wales was about to leave us plenty to reflect on in memories. With its quaint stone towns, bridges and villages, meandering rivers, streams and reservoirs joined by winding forest roads, with dramatic skylines of mountains and unpredictable cloud formations, we were going in deep today. After a good night's rest and a little knees up around the fire to say the least, we were greeted in the morning with blue skies and nesting birds over these wild meadows at our camp. With a light bite at camp and some good coffee, I'm afraid there were some unfilmable scenes of schoolmates just being schoolmates really. Let's just leave it there, shall we? I don't want to ruin the tone of this short video today.
I'll get his pod. I've got his mate. Yeah. Ready. Go.
We excitedly rev and roll, hitting the asphalt, tyres biting down, feeling weightless now, with no luggage booked up. We're in fact in search of something very Welsh indeed that you too may know about.
You know the rules, John. Any bugs that get in your lid, you got to munch them. Yeah. Here we are, the Welsh Rarebit Centre. Okay.
The Welsh Rarebit Centre. International centre, I might add. We're about to get some proper scround down us to set us up for the day. This little place in the heart of the Brecon Beacons, located in a charming village called Defynnog. At least that's what it looks like written down. It's set in a lovely old school building, apparently famous for serving both classic and creative versions of the dish. The mighty Welsh Rarebit. Thick toasted bread topped with grilled Welsh cheddar cheese, mustard and seasoning. Try it. It simply won't let you down. We ride on now, fully nourished. You don't need to see us eat or hear the unfiltered table chat. It's just unnecessary, I'm afraid. We didn't really have YouTube on our minds. We're just lads in the moment, enjoying it. Man, oh man, boy, oh boy. Would you look at this place? There was only one thing to do in this situation of ours. We had to get an ice cream. This incredible stretch of road, made famous by Top Gear presenter Jeremy Clarkson, bless his heart, not in the best place at the moment, is of course the Black Mountain Pass, winding through the west edge of the Black Mountains, famous for its stunning scenery, thrilling twists and sweeping bends, making it a favourite for driving and motorcycle enthusiasts alike. Now, I'll go back to Jeremy Clarkson for a moment. We all know he doesn't like motorcycles, more of a Richard Hammond thing. But he loathes one thing even more, that's lycra on push bikes. And there's plenty of those here today, like they've missed a turning for Le Tour de France. Clarkson, not in the best health, prostate cancer in fact. Now, I do wonder if those push bike saddles aggravate this man's bodily region, for good or for worse. I'm not much of a fan of pedal power in lycra. But seriously, gentlemen, get yours checked in time. I don't know the stats and all that, but get yours checked in time. You know what I'm saying? It makes sense. So that is enough of my voice for the moment, but check out this spectacular stonework on every corner, every bridge and home and building, just before we open up the throttle for some POV therapy and spirited riding in a tunnel of green.
So pretty.
Wales had indeed showed us some ways and routes today, precisely what we all tour for. Vista on vista, twist on twist, pleasure you can't measure. What did we do before drone footage? It 100% captures splendour and its grandeur perfectly. It's not just a damn at eye level, it's a marvel from above, a monstrous beauty. Time for a cheeky pint. Ah, what a day. We find a pub nestled away in the valley. We head back to camp on a 1 pint beer buzz, reflecting on the first day and what else day 2, 3, 4, 5 will bring also to the table in this Welsh tour of ours. Thanks for watching and taking the time. And look out for chapter 3.
Yeah, that works for you there, Bod, doesn't it? Yeah, alright, that's perfect, John. You tuck up there, mate. Yeah, mate. That's perfect. Perfect, dude.